Good morning. This is Taylor, and he crawls over here to get the magazines. And watch. No! No! What you doing? Yeah, you're getting better at learning no, aren't you? You don't get the rocking chair either. No! No! Mommy's taught him well. Hi! Oh. You don't get to stand up here. Ow! Bonk! Oh. That's called a tantrum. You want to stand up? Okay, Mama's got to help you here. Okay, say bye-bye. Hi. Hiya. Can you stand up from here? Okay, I'll help Taylor.